My name is Trell, and in December of 2015, I came home from a federal prison and started filming workout videos with nothing but a phone and a NASM certification. 2 years later, that phone paid me my first legal $1 million. So in this video, I'm walking you through the exact 3-step system that I use to do it: content, brand deals, and running my own offer. Stack all three or stay broke and famous. It's your choice, but let's get into it. The first thing is you need to build the content engine. Before I was paid a single dime, before any brands cut me a check, before I had any single follower, I had one thing. I had a camera roll full of horrible videos. What nobody tells you in this game is that the engine that pays you doesn't start with an audience. Now, when I first started, I literally was staying at my mom in a 1-bedroom apartment, me, her boyfriend, and I was so determined to become a trainer or the best trainer. I would train in the laundry room of her apartment building. Mind you, it had wires, it had poles and pipes everywhere. Now that I think about it, it wasn't safe. But for me, I had to do what I had to do to get to where I needed to go. And most of my clients at the time was just like my friends and family, and I was posting consistently. And it moved a little bit, but it wasn't really doing a lot. And a lot of guys watching this, they already have 4 or 5 film videos, never posted, and they just called it a phase. And that's the exact reason that you're stuck. They're treating content like in this audition when it's actually a gym. And you see what happens is around like day 9, week 2, most creators, they stop because they're not getting the views that they want. They think 200 views is not enough. And the reality is you haven't built a channel. You haven't built an audience. You haven't built anything that people want to watch. I would suggest start on one platform and you build your audience. Think about yourself as a TV show. That first episode is either going to catch people or it's not. And with social media, and if you can't capture their attention in less than 7 seconds, you're probably gonna lose them. So here's the play for your first 30 days. There's no negotiation on this. You're gonna pick one platform, then pick a single lane that lines up with what you know. Do you know fitness? Do you know money? Do you know carpentry? Do you know barbering? Now from there, you're filming 1 short form video per day under 60 seconds. Hook in the first 2 seconds, front camera selfie style. You do that for 30 days straight and you don't judge a single video until day 31. Now, here's where most people mess up. They get to 30 days, they catch 1 or 2 viral hits, and then they immediately go chase the wrong money. Affiliate links, random side gigs, they're trying to do coaching offers that nobody asked for. They skip the easiest money in the whole game while it's sitting right in front of them. Number 2, land brand deals that match your lane. The first real check that hit my account from a brand didn't come because I had 1 million followers. It came because I was already using their product on camera before they even knew I existed. Brand deals are the most misunderstood part of this entire game. Brands, they pay for trust, not views. The minute you do an ad for something you never use, that trust is gone. And so like when I first started making brand deals or landing brand deals, it came because I was already genuinely using these products. And so people, they can see the authenticity in it. I never asked these brands for a single dollar, and I only partnered with brands that was in alignment with what was authentic to me. Because what you don't want to do is, like, I don't drink coffee, so it wouldn't make sense for me to go and fake like I'm drinking coffee for money, because then you sacrifice the trust of your audience. And once that trust is gone, it's going to be so hard for you to connect with any type of audience. And the reason that creators don't land real brand deals is because they pitch like they're begging. They DM brands with 2,000 followers asking them, hey, can you sponsor me please? They don't have a real media kit, and they take the first random ad their inbox for $300. You're burning your entire trust that you've been building for years. Because like I said, your audience can tell when it's not real. They know you don't use their product. They've been watching you for years, but now you're starting to use it for money. You end up losing their trust. And the money might work for you right now, but in the long haul, it's gonna cost you so much. So here's exactly how you land brand deals the right way. And I want you to write this down. First, you list 10 brands that you already use that fit your content lane. Second, you tag them organically in 3 to 5 posts before you ever pitch them. Third, now when you pitch, you want to keep this email short and sweet, under 100 words. You send it to the brand's email or a name brand partnership manager, and you lead with audience match first. Then you're going to attach a 1-page media kit with real numbers and your top 3 reels. Now that's the exact framework that landed me brand deals that fit my niche. That's from local brands in 2018 to a brand deal that had 9.9 million views with earning this year. This sound like it's gonna take a lot of time, and it will, but that's why I built foundations. I put each step of the process there into the template so you can copy and paste it for yourself, just like Omar did, and he landed a $22,000 brand deal. Hans, he used the same blueprint to get his flight, his hotel covered for F1 weekend from the deal that he landed. Now, to get in, all you need to do is DM me the word blueprint on Instagram @TrellTheTrainer. Now, if you're still here, there's bigger moves past brand deals. And it took me the longest to figure this out. Number 3 is close in the DMs. Here's something that I want you to remember. Brand deals are a tax on your audience. When a brand pays you $5,000 to post a reel, they're paying that $5,000 because they're going to make $25,000 to $50,000 back just from your people. At this point, you're just renting your audience out to whoever paid the best. So the smartest move you can make as soon as your content engine is running and the brand deals are flowing is to build your own offer. Because that's what I did. I knew eventually I wanted to create my own space, create my own community to teach other people how to go and make money, how to go and land brand deals, how to build a personal brand, how to invest their money. Then I brought on my team, and that's how you build your own offer from all of the things you've learned to make money. Because most people, you're waiting on permission from other people, from your boss, from brands, and they can fucking toss you out whenever. But when you build your own offer, you control your money, you control your time, and you still control your audience. But one mistake that I see creators try to do is make an offer when you haven't built an audience. You haven't built trust. Why would somebody pay for something that you're selling? I gave out free content for 8 years before I ever asked $1 from my audience. That's the type of value that you want to provide. You can't just start asking for money off the top, all right? You haven't built anything. The people don't trust you. People spend money with people that they trust. So here's the move. You build one offer first, just one. Doesn't matter if it's a course, if it's coaching, a community, or a service. Then you set DM keywords, each that will be tied to different pieces of content you post. After that, you want to post a reel where the CTA inside the content is DM me X, Y, and Z to work with me. But there's one more piece to this whole system that will decide whether you live off of this and scale to the moon or you stall out at one good month. And that's number 4, reinvesting 70% back into the engine. When the money starts coming in, it's a test that decides whether you're going to be 1-year creator or a 10-year creator. And you see this all the time. One good month, one good brand deal, and then the Rolex comes out, new apartment comes out, and that's how people set themselves up for failure. Let's say I made $10,000. $7,000 of that immediately is going to work. And I'm going to figure out how to survive and live off of the $3,000. $5,000 of the 7, I'm reinvesting back into the business. The other $2,000, I'm probably going to put into my stock portfolio. Because I tell people all the time that I got rich in 3 years, all right? I didn't buy anything, no jewelry, no clothes, no new apartment, and I grinded my ass off. I made $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, and then I acted like I was broke. And it was hard, don't get me wrong, it was tough. I sacrificed friends, I sacrificed family, I sacrificed relationships, but those 3 years shifted the next 30 years of my life. So I just locked in. I stopped going on dates. I stopped shopping. I didn't take any trips with the fellas. And that discipline and that consistency is the reason that you're even sitting here watching this. You don't get to be a 10-year creator without going through this. So that's it. That's the system. Content makes you findable. Brand deals pay you to exist. DMs close people to your offer. And then the 70-30 rule that makes your business compound. And these aren't 3 different jobs. The same reel does all 3 at once. The hook is the content, the product in your hand is the brand deal, and the CTA at the end is the DM funnel. One piece of content covers 3 revenue legs. And that's how a creator with 100,000 followers out-earns the content creator that has 2 million followers. So if you came in thinking you needed 1 million followers or a degree, the system isn't the barrier, but putting in reps, that's what will help you. I built this whole thing from the laundry room of an apartment building that I was staying there with my mom. Nothing but a phone, I had wheel, and I was able to do it. And you can too. And if you want the full personal brand monetization framework, including the templates, including my team, the DM funnel, setup, the offer stack, listen, all you gotta do is right now, DM me the word blueprint on Instagram @TrellTheTrainer, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.